I'm Mei Ling, HR Generalist from IKEA Jurong. So I submitted my 13-year-old living room for the contest and then I won it.
Hi, my name is Raj. I'm a visual merchandiser in IKEA Alexandra. When I came back home and I explained it to my parents, the first question was, is it a scam? I can't believe it.
Hi, hello, I'm Norina. I work as a Customer Relations Officer at IKEA Tampines. When I got the news that I win, I was very excited to tell my mom. I was in tears and I think she was in disbelief because it was such a big win.
My parents bought this flat 13 years ago. It's actually a resale furnished flat with furnitures by the previous owner. So it actually didn't really cater to our needs, but we adapt to it. So we have been hoarding and placing our things everywhere. Our dream living room is basically a functional place, a big space for many people to gather around, to have our meal and have our playtimes, and also a space for our religious purpose. This living room is the place where we use the most, is the heart of the home. So this whole makeover process actually allows us to actually re-evaluate the place. It feels like a home now instead of like a place where we store items. So therefore, we are very thankful about the renovation because we can enjoy the space as a family.
So I've been living in my room for the past 9 years. I didn't really get a chance to dress up or make my room into my own desired room. So my current man cave, it's amazing actually, to be honest. Now I get to sleep in a queen size bed. I am very tall and I have a very big physique. I get to roll around the bed so I don't have to think about falling down any moment. I get to display all my wonderful things, especially my great collection of my perfumes. I like to really smell good. Whenever I turn around, I get a glimpse of my perfume and I feel so proud of myself. Most of us have a very small space to live. That's when we play with smart living solutions. The wardrobe, we go for the full size wardrobe, and even my shoes are inside now my wardrobe, which gives me an even more better way to dress up. So my room now is my workstation, playroom, man cave, and private lounge for me and my friends.
I dedicate this entry to my mom. She works very hard every single day to provide for me and my siblings. She actually prefers to sleep outside. The old room was in a very bad condition. She had her laundry in the room. There was built-in cupboards that wasn't even used. Now with the new room, there is actually more space. So my dad does his prayers in the room. And my mom comes in the bed early as well to do her readings on the bed, sleep well, rest well, and spend most of the time in the room instead of the living room.
Super thankful about this contest.
So my daily task in IKEA is actually creating a better life for every day for many people, but this project gives me an opportunity to be the many people.
The room actually went beyond my expectation. Told my mom that if I could change room with her.
I finally got my dream room!